Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. In the last class, we have seen different types of operators in C language. There are 8 types of operators. Out of that, we have seen few types, and in this class, we will be seeing bitwise operators. Before we see these bitwise operators, let me give a small recap on that types of operators that we have seen in the last class. Okay. Yeah, these are the different types of operators we have seen in last class: arithmetic operators, conditional operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, special operators, increment and decrement operators, and relational operators. You can remember these 8 types of operators basing on their first letters, right? Like A, C, LAB, lab, S, I, R, sir. AC, lab, sir. Okay, need not be in the same order. You can present these operators in any which way, but since they are 8, I thought of giving you a hint how to remember these 8 types of operators. Okay, out of these 8 types of operators, we have covered these arithmetic operators: plus, minus, star, slash, modulus, and plus, minus, star, slash are your mathematics operators only, just like the way you have done your mathematics operations. And modulus is something new which you have learned in the last class. It gives you a reminder, and it is used only for integers. It cannot be used for real numbers. It is used only for integer values, to be specific. And conditional operator is, it deals with conditions, either true or false. If the condition is true, the statements from question mark to colon gets executed. If the condition is false, the statements from colon to semicolon gets executed. So the condition should be within the parentheses. Okay. If the condition is true, then the statements from question mark to colon, and if the condition is false, then the colon to semicolon execute. Okay. Next, logical operators. We have seen these operators also. This deals with Boolean values, either true or false. The input for logical operation is either true or false, and the output is also either true or false. Or in other words, you can say that logical operators will act like, or logical operators are used as conjunction to relation operations. One or more relation operations. Okay, that also we have seen in the last class. And assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. Which value? The value that is present to the right of the operator will be assigned to the variable that is present in the left. In the right assignment operator right side ఉన్నటువంటి value or expression result ఏదైతే వచ్చిందో అది left side ఉన్నటువంటి variable కి assign అవుతుంది. And the reverse is not true. So the left side should always be a variable. This is mandatory. On the right side, either you can have a variable or a value or an expression or anything. That we have seen in the last class. And relational operations, yes, these are 6 relational operators: and less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, and double equal to. Since these operators speak something about relation, the relation that is present in the operation, so these operators are called relational operators. Okay. Very soon, chala speed ga cheptunna andi. It's okay because అయిపోయింది, last class అయిపోయింది. And these these operations, all these operations will have 3 things, as I said in the last class: an operation, operator, and operands. Operator is something which performs the operation on operands. I repeat, operator is a special symbol that performs operation on operands. Okay, so all these are, as of now, all are these binary operators only. Okay, maybe this is unary operator, except that I guess all are binary operators. Yes, and in this class you will be learning this bitwise operators. So this is logical AND, and this is bitwise AND. Logical OR, bitwise OR. Logical NOT, bitwise NOT. Okay, so logical and bitwise. Apart from this, we have 3 more operators in bitwise operators, that is left shift, right shift, and cap, XOR. Okay, as I said, in the last class that bitwise operators are very important, especially it increases if you really practice these bitwise operators, or if you write a program using these bitwise operators, the program gets executed with a very less time because it deals directly with bits, not with the values. Okay, direct bits to deal chestundi, chala fast ga execute avutayi, and you will be getting excellent logics using these bitwise operators when compared to remaining operators. So sometimes they may ask you a question exclusively on bitwise operators. Okay, especially these operators will be very useful for electronics and communication students. Fine. We will see one by one, like a bitwise operator AND. We start with AND and so on, or not, and so on. And this is left shift AND. Arrow mark a direction lo unte a shift. This is right shift. Arrow mark is towards right shift. Okay. So nothing. So we'll move to evaluation process or explanation process. So see here, just a minute. Okay, see here. Okay. In logical operations, I told you these things, right? True means 1, false means 0. 0 means false, and non-zero means true. Remember this thing. Okay. This is for logical operations. True means 1, false means 0, 0 means false, non-zero means true. Okay. So bitwise AND operation, single ampersand AND operation, bitwise AND. So if A is this and B is this, see the truth table, A and B. It's 10th standard mathematics, and there you might have learned with trues and false. Here you will be dealing with zeros and ones. 0 means false and true means 1. Okay, remember that. So 0, 0 is 0. Sorry, this is 0, and this is 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 0 is 0, and 1 and 1 is 1. Formula on apply. Okay. So 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 is 0, 1, 1 is 1. This is the truth table for AND operation, bitwise AND operation. Now we will see this with an example. Let A value be 10 and B value be 9 and C be 0. Okay. So 10 will be represented as a 16-bit number because it is an integer. Integer means 2 bytes. 2 bytes means 16 bits, right? A 16 bits ni nenu 4 4s ga rastunna. 4 4s. Okay. So 0 0. Okay. And the value of 10 is 1 0 1 0. The binary value of 10 is 1 0 1 0. And you know these conversions. Beginning classes lo computer fundamentals chepnappudu how to convert a decimal number to binary and binary number to decimal, we have told you in that classes itself, and you know very well, right? B is 9. Or I'll do this. So the 9 is 1 0 0 1 is 9. Okay. Now A bitwise, or it's not or, it's AND, and B. A and B. What will the value of A and B? Is the question. Okay. So 10 and 9 laws bitwise AND operation cheste em jarugutundi. Bits margin operation jarugutundi. Values ni bits ga marchi a bits margin operation. So 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 0 is also 0. 0 and 0 is also 0. But 1 and 1 is 1. basing on this truth table. And okay, 1. And all these are 0 and zeros. So it will be simply 0. So what is this value 1000? It is 8. Okay, such a easy way. Now, what if P equal to A and B? What is the value of P? The value of P is 8. For the given value, A value 10 and B value 9. A and B is 8. Okay, but this one P equal to A logical and B. A logical and operation, not bitwise and operation. This deals with true or false. This deals with zeros and ones. Mind you, okay? I and E and E confuse over. So A is 10. 10 means non-zero. Non-zero means true. Non-zero means true. B is 9. 9 means non-zero. Non-zero means true. So true and true is true. And that true is being assigned to P. True and enta 1. So P will be holding 1. P value is 1 there. Now next example, P equal to A and C. A is 10, 10 means non-zero, non-zero is true. C is 0, 0 means false. True and false. False. False means 0. So P is 0. So ఎప్పుడైనా కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో కావచ్చు, ఆన్లైన్ బిట్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో, మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో జాగ్రత్త. దే విల్ గివ్ యూ A value as 10, B value as 9 or C as 0, and these operations looks like similar. A and B, A double ampersand B. దీని బదులు ఇది బదులు అనుకున్నారంటే పోయినట్టే. ఆ పర్టికులర్ బిట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది దానికి సంబంధించిన మార్క్స్ మీరు లూజ్ అయినట్టు అవుతారు. సో కేర్ఫుల్ విత్ బిట్ వైజ్ అండ్ ఆపరేషన్ అండ్ లాజికల్ అండ్ ఆపరేషన్. ఓకే, fine. Next we will see OR. This is about AND operation. We will see OR. So the OR is OR. The operator is OR. We call it as pipe. So OR emuntundi 0 0 is 0 and remaining all are 1. It's like OR truth table. Okay. Now for the same value 10 and 9, we will see the values. So A or B. 0 or 0 is 0. Okay. 1 or 1 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 1 is also 1. 1 0 1 1. And equivalent decimal value for 1011 is very good 11. Okay, is 11, which means if P equal to A and B, bitwise and B, then P value will be 11. A and B, sorry, or B. P equal to A or B, then P value will be 11. P equal to A double or logical or B, then what is P value? We will see. What will be the answers? A is 10, non-zero, non-zero means true. B is 9, B 9 means non-zero, non-zero means true. True or true is true. True P kiltum. True P kaisa na hotum. So it is 1. True means 1. Non-zero means XOR. It is not power and. Calculator like that power కింద వాడతాము. But here it is an operator, exclusive OR and. And the truth table is, if both the values are same, it is 0. 0 0 gani 1 1 gani aithe 0. If both are opposite, then it is 1. Simple. Okay. And let us see the truth table and solve this exam. So A cap B. A cap B. We should have applied a formula. We'll see the values for this. Okay, C cap A is 10 and again B is 9 and C is 0. A, B, and we need to find A cap B. A cap B. See here, 1, 0, opposite. So it is truth table prakaram 1, 1. Both are same, 0. Both are same, 0. Ivi kuda both are same, 0. Okay. Hala. Now what is this value? 0, 0, 1, 1. The value is 3. Which means P equal to A cap B. P value is 3. P value is 3. And there is no cap operation logical, so nothing. Okay. So this is how exclusive OR operator works, or bitwise works in bitwise operators. Okay. Now we will see left shift operation. Left shift, which means let's say A value is 10 and I need to shift that A value towards left for one time, which means A left shift 1. The bits get shifted towards left for once. 0 to here, 1 ikkadaki, 0 ikkadaki, and 1 ikkadaki. So this 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. This is gap I maintained intentionally just to make it 4 by 4. Okay. And this 0 to here, 0. And this 0 will be here. And this 0 will be here. And what about this 0? Okay. This 0 will be eliminated or erased. And here I will be getting an empty slot, and that slot will be filled with 0. It is not rotation. Rotate kaadandi. Ikkada 0 ela vachi ikkada padaledu. Okay. This empty slot create ayindi. Aa slot lo 0 vachindi ante. Ikkada last 0 erase అయిపోయింది. This is MSB and LSB. Okay. MSB gets erased and LSB will be vacant. In that vacant position, you need to fill it with a 0. Okay. So this value is, sorry, it is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Let's calculate 0. Sorry, this is 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. 16 plus 4. ఎక్కడైతే 1s ఉన్నాయో అవి యాడ్ చేసుకోండి అయిపోతుంది ఈజీ. 16 plus 4. So the value is 20. So A left shift 1 is 20. The resultant answer for this is 20. Now, if I shift once more towards left, which means A left shift 2. And A lo ఉన్న 10 ని 2 times move చేయాలండి left కి. Which means already one time move చేశాను. Now second time 0, 0, 1, 0, and 1, and ఇవన్నీ కూడా zeros. Yes. Now this value will be, and MSB erase అయిపోయింది, LSB vacant అయింది. ఆ vacant అయిన పొజిషన్ లోకి 0 వచ్చింది. What is this value? 0, 0, 0, and this is 1, and this is 0, and this is 1. Okay. So it is 32 plus 8. Then 1 lo ఉన్న చోట yes 40. So if you can see here what is happening, ఏం జరుగుతుందో చూడండి. A value 10, A left shift 1, 20, A left shift 2. is 40. For every shift operation, the value is being doubled. Double అయిపోతుంది 10. ఒక షిఫ్ట్ అయ్యి లెఫ్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత వన్స్ 20. 2 times లెఫ్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తే 40. ఇప్పుడు predict the output. A left shift 3 ఏమవుతుంది? Will it be 60 or 80? Respond in your chart window. Will it be 60 or 80? Yes, very good. It is 80. Double అవుతుంది. Okay. In general, like ఈ 1 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This value will be 80. Okay. If you want, you can check it here. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 plus 16 is 80. Okay. In that way also you can check it out. Fine. In general, A left shift n, provided n is less than 16. A left shift n is how much? Yes. A into 2 power n. 2 to the power of n. XR kaadu idi 2 to the power of n. It's like a formula. If you know a value of A, you can get the value of A left shift n by applying formula directly. Especially when you are dealing with multiple choice questions, then it will be easy for you. Okay. If the A is a very large value, then you need to apply this formula. A into 2 power n modulus 32767. Because cyclic okay. Fine. A into 2 power n. This is your formula. Please note this. And always remember, ఈ లెఫ్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ ఆపరేటర్ కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నది వేరియబుల్. ఇది ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ అనేది, విచ్ మీన్స్ ఇఫ్ ఐ సే 8 లెఫ్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ 2, ఇట్ మీన్స్ 8 అనే వాల్యూ మీద 2 times చేయమని అర్థం. అంతేగాని 2 మీద 8 times చేయమని కాదు. 2 అనే వాల్యూ మీద 8 times చేస్తే వేరే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. 8 అనే వాల్యూ మీద 2 times లెఫ్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ చేయాలి. ఆల్వేస్ రిమెంబర్, the left side one is variable and the right operand, left operand is variable and the right operand is number of times. Okay. So adi jar. Now we will see right shift operation. Initially let it be 10. We will see right shift operation. Okay, let A value be 10 again, and the value is 10. A ni right side move cheyali or shift cheyali by one step. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 0 ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోతుంది, అంటే LSB ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఈ 1 ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 0 ఇక్కడికి, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 1 ఇక్కడికి, and here you will be getting 0, this 0, and all these are zeros. So this 0 ikkadiki vachi, and this is vacant now. Right shift operation lo MSB will be vacant, LSB will be erased. In left shift operation, MSB will be erased and LSB will be vacant. Okay. So since this is vacant, fill it with 0. Fill it with 0. Now the value of this thing is 101 is 5. 101 is 5. What if A right shift 2 times 0 and here it is 1. ఈ 1 erase అయిపోతుంది, ఈ 0 ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది, ఈ 1 ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది, and all these are zeros because అన్ని రైట్ కి మూవ్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఇది ఎక్కడికి, this 0 here. Okay, and this is vacant. LSB 1 erased and MSB is vacant, and I am filling it with 0. It is not rotate operation. If it is a rotation operation, this 1 would have been moved to here. Okay, so it is not rotation, it is shift, just moving aside. not rotating. So its value is 2. Okay. If I do one more, then it will be 1. This 0 will be eliminated and all these will be zeros. So what did you observe? For every right shift operation, the value is becoming half. 10 5 అయింది. 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2. In C language or in any programming language, it is 2. Integer by integer is integer. Okay, 5 by 2 is not 2.5. 2.5 is in mathematics. But here integer by integer is an integer. 5 by 2 is 2. And 2 by 2 is 1. The value is 1. ఇంకా చేసాను అనుకో 1 by 2 0 అవుతుంది. And all will be zeros. ఇంకా చేస్తే 0 అవుతుంది. Okay. So the formula A right shift n is A by 2 power n. A whole by 2 power n. Call apply చేసుకోండి. A value 10, n value 1. 10 by 2, 5 direct గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. A value 10, n value 2. 10 by 2 square, 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is 2, not 2.25, 2.5. And 10 by, okay, A by 2 power n. A value is 10, n value is 3. 10 by 2 cube, and 10 by 8. 10 by 8 is 1. Okay. So in this way, you can directly apply formula rather than putting these bits and making calculation out of it. And it takes time, right? Especially in multiple choice questions or any competitive exams, you can use this formula. That is A left shift n is A into 2 power n. A right shift n is A by 2 power n. And the last bitwise operator is negation operator. Right, we'll see. Okay, here you can see a value. A value is 10, and I will be calculating negation A value. Negation and 0 1 అయిపోతుంది, 1 0 అయిపోతుంది. The 0 will be converted to 1 and 1 will be converted to 0. So all zeros will be 1s now. So, and you know, in integers, this bit is called sign bit. And the sign ni cheppuddi. If the sign bit is 0, the number is positive. If the sign bit is 1, the number is negative. And you know, the negative numbers are stored in 2's complement. The negative numbers are stored in 2's complement. I'll tell you why. What is this 2's complement and all these things? See, before we evaluate the answer to be answer, let us see what 2's complement is, and then we will find what the answer is. Okay. See, example for 2's complement. Say the number is 10. Okay. How I will represent 10 in bits is this way. 1 0 1 0. A simple nibble 4 bits. Okay. If it is okay with 4 bits, it will be okay for 16 bits also. So I'm taking a very small example. 10. Now, if this is A, value is 10, and this is how I represent it in form of bits. Now negation A will be negation A will be 0 1 0 and 1. Okay, 0 1 0 and 1, and this is called 1's complement. Negation operation ఏమంటారు? 1's complement అంటారు. 1's complement కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చారు 2's complement, అంటే add 1 to it. Now this is your operation. 1's complement కి 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. 1 and 1 is 0 and carry 1 అవుతుంది. Okay, and this is 1 and 0. So this is called 2's complement. This is called 2's complement. Okay, so this is your result. So I'm making it in, say, in global. This is your question. So the question is 1 0 1 0 10, and the ones complement is all ones will be converted to zeros and zeros will be converted to ones. Ones to zeros and zeros to ones. If you add 1 to one's complement value, then you will be getting the 2's complement. Okay, 1 and 1 is 0, carry 1 untundi, a 1 digindi 1 0. Fine. Now 2's complement of 2's complement is original number. This is your original number. Okay. Now I'll take this as an original number and calculate the 2's complement. Em jarugutundo chudanడి. 0110. Okay, is original number anukundam. Okay, calculate 1's complement. అంటే zeros అన్ని ones అయిపోవాలి. Okay, 0. Yes. Okay, this is 1's complement. This is 1's complement. Now add 1 to this to get 2's complement. Add 1 to that 1's complement to get a 2's complement. So what is that? 1 and 1 is 0. Carry 1. Then this is 0 and this is 1. If you can observe this thing, it is again a original number 1010 1010. Okay. 2's. Okay. So if it is a original number, 2's complement of 2's complement is same. 2's complement of 2's complement is same number. Negative numbers etlana store avutai. When you give a negative number, it will be converted into 2's complement and store in the memory. So 10 minus 10 ఎలా స్టోర్ అవుతుందంటే రైట్ అయ్యి 10 ఇట్లా స్టోర్ అవుతుందండి కంప్యూటర్లో. ఓకే, బట్ మైనస్ 10 ఇట్లా స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. విత్ సైన్ బిట్, దీని సైన్ బిట్ 0తో అండ్ దీని సైన్ బిట్ 1తో. సో దిస్ ఈస్ మైనస్ 10 విత్ ముందు 0 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సే దిస్ ఈస్ 10 and minus 10 ఎట్లా స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ సైన్ బిట్. I'm making it red. Sign bit. If sign bit is 0, it is positive number 10. If sign bit is 1, negative number. If minus 10, 10 ki 2's complement calculate chesi store avutundi memory lo. Ekkada memory. మరి రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ వాల్యూకి మళ్ళీ 2's complement క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకుంటాం, విచ్ ఈస్ ఏ ఒరిజినల్ నెంబర్. సో 2's complement లో స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. రిట్రీవ్ చేసినప్పుడు మళ్ళీ 2's complement క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఎప్పుడు ఇదంతా సైన్ బిట్ 1 అయినప్పుడు. సైన్ బిట్ 1 అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? నెగిటివ్ అయిన. ఎప్పుడైతే వాల్యూ నెగిటివో మరి 2's complement క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి మెమరీలో స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు మళ్ళీ కూడా 2's complement క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకుంటాం. So that it will be the same value, because 2's complement of 2's complement is same number. This is all ECE digital logic design law చెప్తారు, 2's complement 1's complement. బట్ ఇక్కడ చెప్పే అవసరం ఏర్పడింది, చెప్పాను. ఇట్స్ ఓకే. ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్, డోంట్ మైండ్. You will get one more chance to learn this. If you add 1 to it, then 0 plus 1 is 1, and this is 1, and this is 0, and this is 1, and all these are zeros. Okay, this also, this is sin bit is 1. Okay, so what is this value? 1011 means 11. So it is minus 11. If a is 10, negation a will be minus 11. ఎలా? a 10 అండి, నెగేషన్ ఆపరేషన్ అప్లై చేస్తారు. సో దట్ MSB 0 కాస్త 1 అయిపోయింది. MSB 0 కాస్త 1 అయిపోయిందంటే సైన్ ఆఫ్ ది నెంబర్ మారిపోయింది. సైన్ ఆఫ్ ది నెంబర్ మారింది అంటే నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్ గా మారింది. నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ ఎట్లా స్టోర్ అవుతాయని చెప్పాను? 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో స్టోర్ అవుతాయని చెప్పుకున్నాం. అందుకని ఈ నెంబర్ కి 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. అదే చేసాం. ఈ నెంబర్ కి ముందు 1's కాంప్లిమెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాము. ఆల్ 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1's కాంప్లిమెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి దానికి 1 యాడ్ చేశాను. 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే నాకు వచ్చింది 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్. సో 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో స్టోర్ అయింది అన్నారు. సో దీని వాల్యూ ఎంత అంటే 1011 11, అండ్ సైన్ ఈస్ 1 కాబట్టి నెగటివ్ 11 అని అర్థం. నెగటివ్ 11. ఓకే, సో సార్ ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అంతా మాకు ఎందుకు? ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ కాంప్లెక్సిటీ ఆర్ బిట్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ అనుకుంటే, డోంట్ వర్రీ, వీ హ్యావ్ ఏ ఫార్ములా. ఇఫ్ a ఈక్వల్ టు 10, negation a is minus of n plus 1 always. ఇది గుర్తుంచుకోండి. మైనస్ ఆఫ్ n plus 1. Okay, right, note it down. If a is 10, if a equal to 10, negation a is minus of n plus 1. Okay, this is formula. So in bitwise operators you have got 3 formulas. First one is a left shift 1, a into 2 power n. Second one is a right shift 1, a by 2 power n. And the third one is negation a is minus of n plus 1. Very good.